In response to the flooding declaration for eastern Kentucky in August of 2022, Crosby again quickly deployed resources to work with the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet and the Emergency Management Office to quickly provide support to those in need.
This is 30 travel trailers that will be installed for the survivors of the flood here that happened a couple months ago. The site will provide them shelter until they find permanent housing.
The first site was known as Mine-Made RV or Campground. This was an existing park where we hauled and installed 32 non-congregate shelters or travel trailers, primarily from Bowling Green and other locations in western Kentucky. Many of these units were readily available as they had already been secured for the tornado relief. The next location had to be built from the ground up. It was in Whitesburg and near an industrial park area. Contains now 36 NCS units. Crosby Government Solutions worked closely with Kentucky Transportation Cabinet to perform the site build-out. We installed the electrical infrastructure while KYTC coordinated other utilities for this site. Next, we moved on to the next site, known as Pikeville. The Pikeville group site was a smaller site that housed 18 NCS units and was just adjacent to the Veteran Center. There we completed the electrical infrastructure and build out of the sewer infrastructure as well, before moving on to the fourth site, known as the Jenkins site, which was completed in October of 2022. For Jenkins, we had hauled and installed 30 NCS units, along with completing the electrical and sewer infrastructure and the site preparation as well. Just a week after the flood in July, Crosby Government Solutions worked to install all these units quickly, coordinating activities very closely with the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet. All in all, so far to date, we have provided 116 units through October. That's 116 families that we're working to help alongside Commonwealth and the Transportation Cabinet and the Emergency Management Office. All in all, we were able to turn this project around in a matter of weeks and complete the installation of these group sites as well, so the families would have prompt access to the shelters that they were being provided by the Commonwealth. Crosby Government Solutions appreciates the opportunity to serve.
I've been with them since the beginning, and we get to serve the community. We provide housing. We go into places that have been destroyed. We get to provide a useful service.
And we recognize the importance of a prompt and safe recovery wherever this support is required, whether it be within the Appalachia or the bluegrass of Kentucky, down the bayou in Louisiana, or across the Everglades of Florida. Crosby Government Solutions stands available to help.